Hello ulit mga kunars. So, eto, paano nga ba maging PNA member ngayong 2024, pambansang samahan ng mga nurse ng Pilipinas. So guys, nandito tayo sa Facebook page ng PNA na pinost nila this February lang. So nakalagay dito, be a PNA member now, apply through online membership, www.philippinenurses.org. So meron din sila ditong QR code, iscan nyo na lang, and then strictly online membership ito ha. And then follow nyo lang yung steps, step 1 to 7. First step is register and sign up for an account. Step 2, update the personal information sheet and upload your photo. Step 3, choose your preferred PNA membership plan. For 1 year, 500 pesos or 3 years at 1,500 pesos. Step 4, choose your preferred payment methods online. So, step 5 naman, check your email for the detailed instructions on how to settle your payment. Don't forget your biller name, reference number, and amount due, and deadline of payment. Step 6, settle your payments to chosen vendor. And step 7, once paid, you may log into your account and print your electronic ID card. Merong membership validity, which is for 1 year, January 1, 2024 to December 31, 2024, and for 3 years naman, January 1, 2024 to December 31, 2026. So, puntahan nyo na lang yung Facebook page para mas makita nyo ng malinaw. At huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe at follow yung page ko, Orasyon Fam. So, thank you for watching mga kunars!